You want to see Ian get a rim job? Fucking keep watching.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Derek. I said my name twice. Dan, Ian, and Derek are gonna make.
It is your show, so it's
Yeah.
That's their show. We're gonna make a spice amaretto apple cider. All those things. It's gonna be here. I'm gonna give you the
It's a
recipe.
kiss. It's a.
It's twice. Spiced amaretto apple cider kiss. The recipe will be 2.5 ounces of apple cider, 1 ounce of amaretto liqueur, and 1 ounce of spiced rum, a teaspoon of honey, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 thin apple slice if you want to. I'm not gonna do that.
Well, the honey and the
cinnamon
sugar
stick.
and the cinnamon are to rim the glass.
Right, so there's a lot of parts there.
Yeah.
So what we did is we took granulated sugar and cinnamon. We made a cinnamon sugar blend, which we'll then use the honey to stick to the glass to make a cinnamon
Should I put the
sugar.
honey on there and we roll it?
That's gonna be
glass, then.
gross.
Yeah.
You could try it.
Put the honey
What do you think you're
how
gonna do?
much
Put the honey right on the glass?
No, he's literally gonna put it on his finger and wrap it around.
No, I'm gonna put it on the glass.
No, don't put it on the. That's not gonna work.
Not gonna work.
So one way you could do this, if you want to know the easy.
All
way
right,
to
now
do
we're
it-
gonna see it.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, shit.
Hold on.
You're
Hold
gonna
on.
wait and roll the glass in
You
the
want
plate.
this, and you can just smear it.
Here.
You're gonna do the inside. So what I suggest doing, what I suggest and what we do is might be different, is I would put a little honey on a paper towel and rim the inside of the glass. In this case, you could probably rim the outside of the glass. On a margarita, I would prefer people rim only the outside of the glass because you don't want the sugar to slosh up against the liquid, the salt to slosh up against liquid and fall in. When you're dealing with sugary substances, rim the
that's
fuck
it.
out of it.
Hold on.
Nobody's going to care. The more
what you're
sugar,
doing.
cinnamon you get, the better. That's turning into...
There you go. Beautiful, Ian.
Rocket science.
And I doubted you, but look at that
All right,
magnificence.
You know what? I'm used to it, Jim. It's okay.
He's used to the doubt,
But you
uncertainty.
still love me, Ian.
Oh, of course I do.
Welcome, happy National Roof Over Your Head Day.
Unless you're homeless. That sucks.
Unless you're homeless, then National Roof Over Your Head Day.
That's
It's
a
not for you.
shitty holiday.
This day is not for you.
Um,
Sorry.
This drink, by the way, is not just a random drink. This is created by Dale DeGroff. You might have heard of him. He's made a couple books.
Can we do anything else with this? Am I just kind
No,
of
we just need
simplifying
a
it?
cinnamon stick, and that's it.
Fill glass with ice and pour drink over on top. Garnish with, those things.
Okay, well, I'm going to after ice it.
After ice,
And I'm going to pretend that I did it before.
Oh, you need to put ice in it?
yes, it's in the instructions that Dale DeGroff has written for us to read.
Well, he iced it.
He did.
He also didn't include the number of servers.
And
You gotta stir it around.
It's a floating fucking log, okay? It's festive as fuck.
Here, you fucking like it?
this drink is festive as fuck, bro.
That looks pretty tasty, actually.
There you go. That's the
Alright.
spice amaretto apple cider kiss.
Kiss.
Now taste
All right.
Give it a French kiss.
Think we
Dad.
gotta wrap
Probably
it.
not.
Yeah.
It's right, you gotta lick
Fucking
that
lick
rim.
that fucking rim.
All right, Julia's gonna like that one better. Yeah.
Jillian was talking to Brianna.
It's going to be gone before she gets back.
No. That one's good.
It doesn't have the
I don't
clove.
know, that wasn't convincing, Dan.
It's I gotta take another taste. Tastes like apple cider.
Yeah, it has a lot of apple cider flavor,
The honey is a good rim because when it chills, it hardens a little bit.
Yeah.
and it drips down the side a little bit. You're not.
Still not getting the spices?
I think it's good.
Yeah.
You don't really get the spices, but it actually tastes more like an apple.
Really?
Yeah.
Like an apple instead of like a spiced apple.
Tastes like a caramel apple a little bit.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
should get the spices, though, from the spice rum.
It doesn't really come through.
Really?
You know what? I'm wondering if we.
It's pretty good spice rum.
The dip. That's
Yeah,
pretty
that's a good
No,
spice.
I know.
I like that.
It's good. It tastes like an apple, like
Yeah.
like you said, a caramel
Like a
apple.
real
Actually,
Yeah.
You know, I think it tastes more. It tastes more like an apple.
Yeah, you want
It has a lot of apple. It's
good.
A little bit of cinnamon. It's missing a little clove. It's missing
Yeah.
the depth
Put some
to get
spice.
all
What's
spice.
You know what that needs? That needs some cranberry bitters.
I think. You can put what if we put cranberry bitters in it?
Derek, where's the Ango?
You want allspice?
No, Ango.
You can't put like spices in drink because then it just turns into.
Ango.
Here.
That's not. Is that it?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's Ango.
You don't want allspice?
You don't believe me? Would I lie to you?
I don't know. Sometimes you're tricky.
Now you guys are just getting right inside the camera.
It's time to rock around the clock.
It's all good. You know I
That's right, it's tricky.
That's it.
Yeah, I mean, you're not gonna tag my name in it, so that's.
Yeah, it's all right.
Plus, it's just the back of your
Well, why
head.
don't you give us the drink so we can try it with the angos?
Well, she's
She'll
gonna try
tell
it
us.
first.
If she doesn't see any difference, there's no point in us
That's
caring.
right. It's still a good drink.
Oh, look, this thing open.
It's a good
It's
drink.
a good drink.
It's more of an apple
Yeah,
flavor.
it's
than-
got more apple.
It's
Yeah.
good though.
I like
think
it-
It just needed a little bit of that.
I think it's better than the last
I feel
drink.
like it just needed. 'Cause
It's
it is
better
But I
a
think
than
you're
good
just
drink.
waiting. Like you just want this like mulled cider drink
But
with
it needs
alcohol
a
in
little
it.
bit of that.
You want
And
a
this-
lot
and
more
this isn't.
effort.
Yeah, this isn't that.
More depth.
This is more of a. It tastes like apple.
No.
No, it
just-
did.
but
It added more
It
depth.
added more depth.
It added more
So
depth.
taste it. It is. It's good. Don't give me that
Hold on, there's
unsatisfactory
something-
smirk.
Something.
Me?
There. I see you. You're like,
No, I'm trying to think of what the male version of Karen is. So I called it. It's like Kent or something.
It's Derek.
And
No, you're black.
see,
I
a
am
little
not.
bit.
Spell it
It
like
added
the
a
black
little.
name.
I spell it like the black name. Derek. Derrick.
it's good. It's just it tastes more of. You almost lose some of the
Apple?
cider. No, more of the.
With the ango?
To create a drink
I think the
that's
ango's all right in it.
what you're at, but here's the
You liked
thing.
it, wait, did you like it before the ango?
I think I liked it better without the
No, I
ango.
like it with
Yeah.
Yeah?
Here's the problem.
Well, yeah, I think it's more
Your
round.
expectations are
See?
mulled
We
cider.
win.
That's what I'm saying.
Your expectations
Yes.
are way too high. This is super simple to make. Well, outside of the
I think that's the problem with all of these apple cider drinks is you're trying to get to a mulled cider with alcohol,
right.
and
you're
it's not.
You can't.
They're taking it
No,
into a different.
I'm not
profile.
For that. I think those couple dashes
That's
made
gone.
it perfect.
Yeah.
That's,
That's
she
all
finished
I
it.
needed. I'm not
It's
complaining.
gone.
I think that was good.
No, I know. I'm saying what I
think
prefer.
it had a fresh apple taste, like apple pie. With
Yeah,
the-
It did. Yeah.
Yeah,
definitely
it's
apple.
like an apple. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was very apple pie like.
Yeah.
Maybe some whipped cream.
There you go. All you needed was whipped cream on top.
Our executive producer is Kyle Jorgensen or Jorgensen, depending on where you are, Kyle, in the
Your
world.
manager 5 stars.
You got 5 stars.
Oh, nice.
I got this from
Derek, 5 stars.
mastercook.com. 5 stars. You guys gotta thumbs this video
Miss
up.
Karen approves.
You gotta thumb this shit up.
Yeah, Karen approves. Subscribe
If you would
and
have
like.
put pumpkin spice in there, Karen would have approved
I-
you.
I got that.
That's there.
Yeah.
I got all of the spices. The one thing I can do is here's pumpkin pie spice. Here's whole cloves.
Yeah.
Apple cider on.
Like I got all the stuff because I only use this once a year.
I am a white chick, but I do like pumpkin
You almost have to make the mold
I got
cider
fucking.
to get to put it in the drink.
I love that.
I
Yeah.
love pumpkin
The-
I will have.
This is fine for what it is. It's just missing one thing that I wanted.
Yes.
But I wanted it before the drink was made, so, like-
I will wear it.
Yeah.
With stars.
Love it.
I will wear it.
All right.
All right.
Sidebar, more videos probably related to holidays. Down below, Austin Drinks Bartender Starter Kit at AustinDrinks.com. Use coupon code HOLIDAY20. Save 20% till the end of the year. That's December 2020. If you're watching it next December,
Buy it all.
this is a new fucking coupon code. Just go buy some shit. That's it.
You don't need a discount.
Fuck yeah. Support your friends.
Yeah.
Teach you how to drink.